After a presumptive case of monkeypox was discovered in Seattle, Deschutes County officials are now preparing for the possibility it could be found here. Jack Hirsch spoke with the assistant health officer for the county health department and has the latest.
Lee, this is not a new disease, and it's not nearly as transmissible as the coronavirus. However, the health department is still watching this outbreak closely. A new outbreak of the monkeypox virus has found its way to the Pacific Northwest.
That raises some increased concern, in part because our local population in Deschutes County, especially during the summer months, tends to travel a little bit more than, say, a few other counties in Oregon.
Monkeypox is not a new virus, but it typically is only found in Africa. But a new global outbreak has seen dozens of cases reported in North America, Europe, Israel, and Australia, including one in Seattle this weekend.
It's not exactly clear where the virus was first contracted.
Unlike COVID-19, Fawcett says monkeypox does not primarily spread through respiratory droplets.
Most of the cases that I've read about in Europe and in the U.S. Have been probably acquired sexually. So, yeah, physical contact seems to be the most common method of transmission.
So another COVID-19-like outbreak seems unlikely, but Fawcett still urges people to be vigilant with the virus likely in the region. The disease is characterized by a rash that comes on after a few days of fever, fatigue, and muscle aches. The rash can then often form into lesions starting around the hands.
If you develop a flu-like illness that has a rash of any kind, really, you just need to be evaluated.
While the disease can be deadly for 1 in 10 people, there are vaccines that can be given to those who may have been exposed. Most people recover from the virus after 2 to 4 weeks with no treatment. Fawcett says Deschutes County Health Services is monitoring the outbreak closely and continuing to come up with a response plan building off of its COVID-19 infrastructure. Lee?